Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I have been looking for the perfect area rug for this space for a long time, and I have finally found it. This rug from Mark&Day checks all of my boxes. This global bohemian style rug is made of 100% wool and it is hand tufted. And let me tell you, this is built to last. This rug is high quality and extremely durable. I was mainly looking for a wool rug for the durability, but what I love about this rug is that it's also incredibly beautiful, easy to take care of with just regular vacuuming, and I love the texture and the dimension that it brings to my space. The wool also is incredibly soft under your feet. It feels amazing, which is very important in a rug, and it has a nice high pile to it, which I really like as well. I paired this rug with the Mark&Day Luxury Grip for underneath, and it has not moved at all. But on its own, this rug is pretty heavy, and so it is not gonna slip around and move all over the place on you. The level of quality on this rug is plain to see, and I really feel confident that this is going to last a very long time. You can see in the construction, you can see in the fibers that this rug is made with care and it is built to last. So in our house, we are hard on rugs, and I have confidence that this is going to last us for years to come. So if you are also looking for the perfect area rug that's going to be beautiful, durable, last you for years to come, and add that cozy warmth that comes from an area rug, then I would definitely check out Mark&Day and their beautiful selection of rugs. I have been incredibly pleased with this one. I cannot recommend it enough, and that's my point of view.